In this video, we listed the 5 best slow-motion cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon EOS 90D Camera. The Canon 90D body is a versatile and high-performance DSLR camera designed for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. It features a 32.5-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor that delivers exceptional image quality, along with a maximum aperture of f/5.6 and an impressive continuous shooting speed of up to 10 frames per second with no lag during optical viewfinder (OVF) shooting. The camera supports various metering modes, including center-weighted average, evaluative, partial, and spot, and offers expanded ISO settings starting from 100. Additionally, it can capture 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second and Full HD video at 120 frames per second, making it a great choice for videographers. The 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system enhances focusing accuracy, and the camera can be used as a high-quality webcam via EOS Utility Webcam Beater software or a clean HDMI output, adding to its functionality for modern content creators. Number 2. Sony ZV-1 Digital Camera. The camera features a Sony E-mount and is equipped with a 20.1 MP stacked back illuminated 1-inch XMOR RS CMOS sensor with DRAM, providing high-quality imaging capabilities. It offers versatile aspect ratios of 16:9, 3:2, and 4:3, and supports JPEG and RAW file formats. The lens is a large aperture 24-70mm f1.8-2.8 Zeiss Vario Sonor T, allowing for a maximum focal length of 88mm and 3x optical zoom. With fast hybrid autofocus, real-time eye autofocus, and advanced metering options, it ensures precise focusing and exposure. The camera also features a side flip-out 3.0-inch LCD screen for easy selfies and quick switching between defocused background modes. Additional functionalities include a forward directional onboard microphone with a detachable windscreen, image stabilization to reduce shake, and pro video features such as HLG&S, Log3, 2 for enhanced color and skin tone reproduction. Operating in temperatures from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, this camera is designed for both photography and videography enthusiasts seeking high performance in various environments. Number 3. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a cutting-edge action camera featuring advanced CMOS photo sensor technology that allows for expansive creative possibilities by capturing a wider field of view. With an impressive video resolution of 5.3K, 91% more detail than 4K and a staggering 665% more than 1080p, it ensures that every shot is packed with sharpness and rich textures. This camera excels in both photography and videography, boasting high-resolution 27MP photos and the ability to record fluid 5.3K 60 video, along with slow-motion options at 2.7K 240 resolution. Enhanced by Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization technology, it delivers remarkably stable footage even in dynamic settings. The camera is user-friendly, featuring a 2.7-inch screen and USB connectivity, and comes equipped with an Enduro battery, curved adhesive mount, and necessary accessories for immediate use. With its sleek black design, the Hero 11 Black is ideal for adventurers and creators looking to capture breathtaking moments. Number 4. Panasonic LUMIX S5. The Leica L camera is a lightweight yet powerful hybrid device designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking vibrant still photography and cinematic video capabilities. It supports multiple aspect ratios, including 4:3 and 16:9, and utilizes advanced CMOS sensor technology to deliver exceptional image quality. With features such as 4K 60p, 10-bit video, and FHD 180 frames per second slow motion options, it is ideal for capturing dynamic content. Photographers will appreciate the impressive 96MP high-resolution mode and dual native ISO, which reduce noise in high-sensitivity situations, while the camera's advanced autofocus system is capable of detecting faces, heads, and bodies for precise subject tracking. Additionally, its 5-axis dual IS2 image stabilization allows for shooting at slower shutter speeds, enhancing versatility. Creative options like Live View Composite mode enable users to create captivating images from multiple live shots, making it a comprehensive tool for creative expression in both photography and videography. Number 5. Sony NEW Alpha 7S. The Sony camera, compatible with full-frame E-mount lenses, features a 12.1 MP sensor optimized for 4K video, delivering high sensitivity and speed. It supports various aspect ratios including 16:9, 1:1, 3:2, and 4:3, and utilizes a CMOS photo sensor technology. The camera offers Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and is powered by the new Bionz XR processing engine, which provides 8 times the processing power of its predecessors. With an impressive ISO range up to 409,600, it produces low-noise images and boasts a dynamic range of over 15 stops. The video capabilities include 4K recording at up to 120p in multiple formats, XAVC-S, XAVC-HS, and XAVC-SI, ensuring high-quality video capture with full pixel readout across all recording modes. Additionally, the camera introduces the S-Cinetone picture profile for enhanced cinematic tone and color in video, while also offering sensor shift image stabilization and a maximum focal length of 24mm.